How much should you actually spend on a cordless pressure washer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 really caught my attention with its powerful 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM at just $169. If you want serious cleaning power for your driveway or patio, this is worth a serious look. This pressure washer delivers a punch with its 2,500 max PSI, which means it can easily blast off dirt and grime from a variety of surfaces. The onboard soak tank is a game changer. Just fill it up and you can tackle those tough cleaning jobs effortlessly. The 25-foot hose gives you plenty of reach without having to drag the unit around. Plus, the anti-tipping technology is a thoughtful design feature that keeps it stable while you work. Honestly, with a 4.7-star rating from over 12,800 reviews, it's clear that many users are impressed. Now, some people complain about its weight, saying it's a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, while it's not the lightest option, the cleaning power you get makes it worth it for those bigger jobs. This is perfect for you if you have larger areas to clean regularly. But skip this one if you need something ultra portable for small tasks. Now, if the weight of the EPX 3500 bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3100V. Next, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3100V, which is priced at $129. This caught my eye because it offers solid performance with 2,100 max PSI and is super compact. If you want a balance of power and portability, this one's a strong contender. The 2,100 max PSI means you're still getting impressive cleaning power, capable of handling everything from your car to your patio. The detachable foam cannon is a nice touch, allowing you to apply soap easily for those tougher jobs. Weighing in at only 18 pounds, it's designed for easy transport, so you can move it around your yard or driveway without breaking a sweat. With a 4.7-star rating from over 6,200 reviews, many buyers have shared positive experiences. Some users have mentioned that the foam cannon could be more effective. But honestly, it still does a great job for regular household cleaning, and considering the price, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want something light and still packed with features, but skip this one if you need a heavy-duty machine. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller jobs. Product number 3. Westinghouse EPX 3100. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 comes in at $139 and delivers a max PSI of 2,300. It's similar to the last one, but just a notch up in power. If you're looking for a bit more oomph without a massive price jump, this is definitely worth considering. With 2,300 max PSI, it can tackle even tougher stains while still maintaining a flow rate of 1.76 GPM. The 5-nozzle set is fantastic because it gives you flexibility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're rinsing off your car or blasting your patio clean. It's compact and lightweight, so storing it away won't be an issue either. With a 4.6-star rating from 9,000 reviews, it seems to be well received by users. However, a few reviews mentioned that the assembly instructions could be clearer. I get it. It could be a bit confusing initially, but once you figure it out, it performs like a champ. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful yet compact washer, but skip this if you're looking for something that's ready to use right out of the box. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, let's talk about the next product. Product number 4. Craftsman Kmepu 1700. Next up is the Craftsman Kmepu 1700, which is the most budget-friendly option at just $89. This caught my attention because it offers a solid 1,700 max PSI and is super easy to use. If you want a no-frills pressure washer that gets the job done, this one is for you. With 1,700 max PSI, it's not the most powerful, but it's perfect for light to medium cleaning tasks like washing your car or cleaning your driveway. The compact design also means it won't take up much space in your garage. The 20-foot hose allows decent reach, and the onboard storage is a real bonus for keeping everything organized. At 4.4 stars from 3,400 reviews, it seems to perform well for most casual users. Some users noted that the pressure could be a bit low for tougher jobs. But I'll be real with you. for regular household tasks, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to store, but skip this if you're looking for heavy-duty cleaning power. Alright, that was a solid budget choice. But the last product might just surprise you with its portability. Product number 5, Mimith Cordless Portable Washer. Finally, let's check out the Mimith Cordless Portable Washer, priced at $79.98. This handheld washer is intriguing because it offers true portability without the hassle of cords. If you want something for light cleaning tasks around your home and garden, this is worth a look. With up to 990 psi, this washer is surprisingly effective for everyday tasks like washing your car or patio furniture. The battery-operated feature means you can work up to 40 minutes without being tethered to an outlet. It's lightweight at only 6 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver. The included foam pot is a nice touch for soaping up surfaces. With 4.2 stars from 681 reviews, it's getting decent feedback. However, some users have expressed concerns about the battery life, saying it could run out quickly during demanding tasks. Here's the thing though. If you're using it for short cleaning jobs, it's more than sufficient and well worth the price. This is perfect for you if you need a truly portable solution, but skip this if you have larger areas to clean often. So, we've covered 5 great options, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you need power, portability, or budget friendliness, there's something here for everyone. In summary, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is ideal for serious power, while the EPX 3100V balances performance and portability. The EPX 3100 offers a bit more power for a small price increase. The Craftsman KMEP 1700 is your go-to for budget-friendly cleaning, and the Mimith Cordless Washer brings true portability. Choose based on your specific needs, and you can't go wrong.